This is our first attempt at making donuts. First we put the flour in. Then we put the sugar in. Then salt.
Then we put some yeast in. Now, they were our dry ingredients, now time for the wet ingredients. Next we put milk in. Then butter. Now we heat it up. Now we mix the wet ingredients and dry ingredients together.
We mixed it by hand first. We put an egg inside. Then we knead the dough in the stand mixer. We let the dough prove for half an hour and then we rolled the dough. Then we measured the dough to make sure it was only 1 centimeter thick all the way around. Then we cut the dough in its shapes.
Then we proved the donut shapes and baked them for 10 minutes. We let them cool on a wire rack. We made icing. We put strawberry flavouring inside. Then we dipped the donuts in icing and then covered them with sprinkles. Our donuts look like Homer Simpson donuts.
Yummy.
If you like donuts, you must subscribe. Yummy donuts.